Alright, we got the biggest install of the year today. It's gonna be so difficult. It's okay though, I got the best crew with me.
We're ready to work, man. Ready to throw this thing together.
I thought that was Blake. I'm not gonna lie.
Looks
That
like
was Blake.
Mondo, what you got? What you got for us?
I got a lot of energy.
Pretty sarcastic. Alright guys, we'll see you at the job. I don't know if they said anything, but we're here. Been here for like 15 minutes, just enough to get the trailer and everything ready. About to start cutting, taking out power wire, just pumped it down.
Alright, there we go. Y'all seen it here first.
Days later.
What's up guys, I'm Blake, this is Cole, this is Big Blue right here, the Hvac dog, small little buddy. He's not allowed in the van, only today, it's brand new. This is a big day for our company. We've never had vans before, I've always done trucks. I don't know, growing up, I just felt like they were a bit pedo, but now the vans are a lot cooler, they're bigger, they're like different than what they used to be. I don't know, I don't feel like you're driving around looking for like little kids or something. I don't know, but I'm not driving it either way. I don't have the masculinity to drive it. I rock the Jeep and a couple of the trucks around here and stuff like that, but Cole's been running his own truck for about 2-3 years now, and so he wanted a van. I fought it all the way. It's also a Ford. I'm not a Ford guy, big Chevy guy. I think there's a lot of value in having the same vehicles, so every one of our trucks are Chevy 2500s, so we know how they work, we know what's going to go wrong with them, we know how to repair them, everything. So this is the first one that's outside of our little lineup, except for the Jeep. I mean, the 84 Jeep is rocking, but that's an exception to every rule. So, but this guy, I don't know anything about it, but we're going to learn, we're going to figure it out. Hopefully when it breaks, I'm going to let him take care of it, but I don't know, why do you want a van instead of a truck?
I just like that it's bigger and I can keep my stuff more organized and lock everything up when I'm not here.
That's true. Yeah, at night when he leaves his truck here, I take tools off of it and use them to work around the warehouse and everything else, and so does everybody else. So we have a full service garage here. People are in and out all night, and anytime they need a tool, his is normally the one closest to the door. So now it's going to be locked up, and hopefully nobody will know where the keys are except for him, maybe me.
What's up? My name is Jaron, and this is Adam right here.
and we are here to swap out this unit we got back behind us. Got a good old Amana. It's a 5-ton heat pump, and looks like I'm gonna have to redo some of the rubber techs back there, get it all good and insulated.
This is the before video, of course.
And not quite sure why they wanted to swap it out right now. I think it was kind of flooding the house a little bit, and it's definitely an older unit, so I think they just needed to swap it out. So we're going back with the 5-ton fit, and it's going to be a little bit of a hassle to try to get the fit in there. We might take down this plant or this bush or whatever that is to get the fit, because you know it's a little bit
Wider.
longer.
Definitely.
So, and especially that pool pump right next to it.
Yeah.
But
A lot of space, but
this is actually our pool guy's warehouse neighbor thing, the owner of that. This is his house, and we've done a fit here before. We can show you that in a little bit. And I guess eventually we'll get fits for all the air conditioners that this place has. So that'd be cool to see one day eventually. But yeah, it's a nice view out here. A pond and everything around here, and then of course the pool guy's gonna have a nice pool, so a little outdoor patio thing. And yeah, got the trailer right here all backed in. Look at that good dog. That's a good dog.
Get the dog. Get the dog.
Mondo right there getting everything ready to go. Uh-oh, got him with the blower. So here's the indoor air handler right here, of course, and then the fit. Definitely a lot bigger than that one over there. That one's about a little bit over hip high. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun project to tackle today. But I heard we might be getting in the pool after we're done, so gonna be pretty cool. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Getting ready to pump her down. Just closing up that high side. Going to get that contactor pushed in and just do it that way. Get her all back in that compressor. Oh yeah. Well, she's not coming on. Dang.
She upset today. One more try.
One more try, one more try. Come on, compressor.
Well,
can't do it the easy way all the time.
Alright, got this old unit snatched out. Got the lines taped off. We're about to do some custom fab on this bush and clean this pad, see how much we need for the new unit. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Bush removal service.
Just try it.
Trying to. Trampoline. I think it needs a few more jumps.
At least now you can get to it better.
Yeah, I mean, it's coming. I can get her.
See that act.
Get away, y'all. I missed.
Now. Easy now.
I need that axe. That's what I need.
Don't let it go deep. There we go. All this for all your landscaping needs.
Woo! That's how you do it. Well, we got some cleaning up to do. Get there at the blower.
We'll use this real quick to get to the unit.
Yeah.
And then I'll bring it back. Alright, she's in her final resting spot. Still gotta flip this around, but decided to go ahead and get it in place. So it's not gonna be too bad. Just gonna get a little duck board on there, and backside looks pretty good. Got a little gap right there. Right. Some over here too. Probably need to push it back just a tad so we can get that gap and that gap. That's even gaps. Just slide it back a little bit, but that's where she's gonna be. So we're about to head to lunch now. I think we're going to the John Hall store, so pretty cool little spot. And then we'll get back with y'all after the fact. And yeah, we got to get the outdoor unit in place out there, and then
Yes sir, yes sir.
start getting the lines brazed or soldered in. So then we're gonna get her done.
Lunchtime.
What do you think about the John Hall store?
Man, it's a great place to eat.
Great place to eat.
Yep.
Mondo, what you getting at the John Hall store?
What am I getting?
Yeah.
I'm
Just hungry?
just gonna eat.
Me too.
All right. We're just hungry. Good old John Hall store. Is that what they call it?
They call it the old store.
Woo! Open. Open. Food is real good. I got barbecue, not fries. Same as Blake. Brandon's got the same thing over there.
I have a cheeseburger and green beans.
Green beans with the cheeseburger?
I think this is the best here.
That's weird.
Cheeseburger and the pork sandwich. And but this right here, look at this monstrosity of food. In it. What's up, guys? I got me a cheeseburger.